Hi, so in this video I just want to give a bit of an update on this channel. YouTube made some changes to their monetization policies, and I want to explain how it affects this channel and how it affects other channels of this size. So the first thing I'll do is sort of go over the new changes. There are bigger changes to YouTube preferred, I guess, channels, and they've got their own sort of thing going on there, but I'm going to talk about the smaller channels now. In this video, I'm not going to go over that bigger stuff. So the first thing is, new channels that are made won't get monetized until they have 4,000 watch hours in a year, and they have 1,000 subscribers. So you have to have 4,000 hours of watch time, and I'll explain what that is in a second, and 1,000 subscribers before your channel can be monetized. Now, if you're a channel like mine, I've been monetized for quite a while now. I have until February 20th to reach those thresholds, and then if I don't, I get demonetized. So I've made the 4,000 watch hours very easily. I'm well over that number, so I don't really have anything to be concerned about there. However, you may notice that I have less than 1,000 subscribers. If you look down there or here, I think it's over there. Yeah, so I have like 300 and something at the time of recording this. And so any other channel that's like mine, when February 20th comes around, if you're not meeting both of the thresholds, it's not an or, it's an and, you get demonetized. Now, I understand why they're doing this, and it's not solely because of what Logan Paul did. It's sort of just another example. And I have a feeling they may have been strong about it because of what he did, but these things were in the works for a while. And there's been Adpocalypse 1, 2, 3, now we just call it by the year. So Adpocalypse 2018 is this one, and basically advertisers don't want videos running on channels that may have questionable content. So if you limit the number of channels who can be monetized, then they can be more easily reviewed, and you won't have ads running on ISIS propaganda and maybe dead bodies, although it still did and it went trending, whatever. So that's the first thing. Now, my thoughts on this are, I understand why they're doing it. However, I think the 4,000 watch hours, that's fine. I think they maybe should have gone towards the views type thing, where it's by number of views, because there are channels that have 10-minute, 15-minute videos, and so they can get that watch time. And there are channels that have 1 minute or 30-second videos. Now, watch time isn't like the total amount of hours of your videos. It's if someone goes on and they watch your 5-minute video and they watch it all the way through, you get 5 minutes of watch time. Most of the time they're going to watch 2.5 minutes, or 50%, I think, is that number, the magic number, whatever. So again, you have to add up all the watch time. You have 12 months to do it. Now, I don't know what happens if you have 4,000, and I guess it's a rolling year. So what happens if you go down to 3,999? Do you get demonetized, and then you hit 4,000? So I don't know what happens when they're jumping back and forth. But again, I don't like the subscribers thing. Maybe that's a biased opinion, but there's a couple of reasons. One, because YouTube has their whole algorithm for removing subscribers, so you could lose subscribers that are legitimate. You could have subscribers that aren't. There's certainly plenty of channels that buy them and I guess somehow keep them or something. When you have 10,000 subscribers and all your videos get like 7 views, there's something going on there. I don't make a living off of this. This is not my income. I have 300 subscribers, less than 1 million views. There's no way I'm making my income off of this. However, what I do with the money is I'm able to take all the money that I make from this channel and put it right back into it. So the lens that's on this camera or the mic that you're listening to were all bought with YouTube money. Or, for example, this will be the, GoPro Hero 6. So I did a bunch of videos on this, and I thought, well, I already have 4 other GoPros. Do I need this? Absolutely not. But if I consider the amount that I thought I would make through ad money, then hey, the price of this goes down, I'll pay that price. So I'm not going to reveal the exact number that I make from this channel monthly or yearly or whatever, but I will link to Social Blade down below where you can see the stats for my channel. They're a third party and they give an estimate of what each channel makes. I do actually make a decent amount of money off this channel. By decent, I mean enough to buy a lens every now and then, or a mic, or pay off part of a GoPro, a good enough part of it that I can say, hey, this is worth buying to maybe use for myself a little bit and make some videos. So I wish that they would have gone for maybe 4,000 watch hours. I don't know how I like the subscriber thing. I think views or watch hours is a good. Now what I have to do is say subscribe in every single video. Subscribe. If we can get a bunch of you know what? I'll give something away. If I hit 1,000 subscribers before February 20th, I'll give a GoPro away. I have 5 of them. How's that? I'll give you a GoPro. Somehow, I'll figure out a way. One of my subscribers will get a free GoPro if I can hit 1,000 by the February 20th deadline. Apparently giveaways get you live subscribers. I'll do that. Whatever. Again, I'm going to continue to make videos on this channel. One thing I recently tried to do was I made a spreadsheet, put it on a Google Doc, and so people with small channels that were trying to hit that monetization threshold could post links to their channels. We have it sorted by genre now. I have a couple of people that have helped me sort of edit the thing, and I'm trying to collaborate with someone else who has a much larger database and see if we can sort of join forces to get these channels more exposure. I don't know what the final status of that is going to be, but I will post an update if that comes around. So I know that a lot of small channels from that spreadsheet have subscribed. If you want to leave now, that's fine. If you want to stay in case something goes on and you can put your channel on yet something else, that's fine too. Some people have asked why it's only it's access only now, it's not public, and the reason is because for some odd reason people who don't have editing permissions are allowed to change the Google Doc. It just says anonymous user, so if anyone has any idea why that is, let me know. Maybe I'll make it public again. I probably will, but again, it's a weird thing, so I really didn't have a choice there. So that's it for this video. Subscribe, like. If we can hit 10 million likes, I'll do whatever. Yeah, I guess I gotta ask for that stuff now. Really only subscribing, but hey, thanks for watching. We'll be back to regular programming in the next video, and that's it.